I'm about to get all Shaolin monk here. You mean to turn it off?
Yeah, one bag is a salad, right? One bag is a serving.
Yeah, basically. Okay, now that's better. Oh look, an iPhone. It's a good way to cool it off.
And it'll be on the charger, so it's getting really... These are even better.
Oh, are you excited to see me? I stole your joke. I stole it. I got you.
It's weird to walk like that though.
Should I buy some cheap grape juice? Pasteurized, yummy. Need to buy my toilet bowl cleaner. Coca-Cola.
Thrust kick.
If you wreck something.
You contact him.
I got it. Oh, I missed it.
Just get on.
It's a public space, I can... I wish I had cool headphones like that.
I don't.
I have $14 left. Looks like he's going to murder somebody. We are looking for wood for his snake tank. I must be a Shaolin. Must be Shaolin. Well, I missed the whole tree falling part. Whatever, I don't even care. I got a cool photo.
Jeez. Good B-roll.
It's a good thing I moved the camera. Think ahead, everybody. So I just why am I in the sun? Ugh. So I just experimented with wireless photography from my phone to the camera.
What? I can't hear you.
I'm not talking to you, shut up. I hate you. It's kind of cool. Kind of. Except it's really slow. You can't record video from it, which is utterly retarded. So I don't know. I don't know why I'm walking. Oh yeah, I tried to capture doing a tornado kick. It looks kind of funny. My face is like... That was fun. Yeah. This is a good way to practice your kicks. Low kicks.
Like you would.
Yeah,
They
trap
were on the
them out.
ground, you'd finish.
Oh. That's a knee trap for us. Can't even show you guys. Bam. Yeah, shipping container house, clay house. Perfect. This is for sale. If you want to buy it for me, you should totally buy it for me. Beautiful land, beautiful. Except those chemtrails are hideous. Dear Donald Trump, millionaire man running for president, I will help you make the environment way cleaner if you buy me this land, and I will propose a lot of ways to change the environment. Put the house here and then you can sled down the hill.
Down. No, you told me like.
Oh, oh, whoa! It almost hit me. I was going to tripod my camera to this, and well, yeah. Nature's a little dead. That will work. We're collecting vine for that tank. And then we put it in the oven. Pull, pull.
Against the tree.
It's like I just pulled it with my own strength. What way does moss face, guys? Let me know in the comments below. So I haven't learned too much Tai Chi yet, but I want to at least try while I'm in an open space now. Oh, maybe not. Thorns.
Why are you so thorny?
I forgot it. I had the whole 24 form done, and then I forget it. At like step 4. Oh, it's because I'm outside. So what I'm learning is that you can't learn something in one place. You have to learn it out in multiple open spaces. So you're doing the moves and you're not memorizing objects in your area. That's confusing. Try it again. I definitely don't remember it. I'm going to focus on 24 form and praying mantis for a while. Just stick to that till I get it down. Hey man, you like my new GoPro Necklace edition? Do ya? You're not looking.
Nice.
Let's take a selfie here. Oh yeah. So I just came up with a new way to hold this. That way you have different angles you can hold it at. It's kind of cool. You can use both hands or one. So now I can hold it down here, or up here, or up here. That's rad. I just said rad. Oh my. Dude, so we just need a $500,000 loan. Or $1 million. Probably $1 million for this. But then that's enough to get equipment and build a small home and everything. One day, if I don't die. No dying. Oh, now that I'm out in the woods, I should show you guys this. So see how I have to climb under this branch? So when you do that, it's putting my neck posture back into its natural position to give that curvature back. So when you go under, you're actually getting your curvature back. So going through the woods is actually really good for you in so many ways. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Yeah. My foot slid in. Predator versus alien. We are preserving your trees. You will never be forgotten for when they tear you down and build homes on you. Speaking of shipping, I ordered a attachment for my microphone, so I will be making videos soon. That way I can record with my phone, or the audio, because this camera will be in the teleprompter, so the audio will be not so good. And yeah, I'm using a teleprompter because I cannot remember 2 pages of script. That's impossible. No, it is possible, it's just a waste of time. Especially when I can just use a teleprompter. Bye-bye, nature! Buying stuff in Costco, it's kind of Saturday or Sunday. Saturday. So there's a lot of people. I'll bring my camera in anyhow. Maybe I could start a fight with somebody and get it on camera and make a viral video. People are going to stare at you. You don't have a jacket on. So are they staring at me or him? So we're both oddballs out. Oddballs.
So small, I have to get
Electricity is the future. It's tiny. 2 pumps. My battery is about to die, and I wanted to do a cooking video, so I will have to charge it. I need to buy spare batteries.